Hello students, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to get your insurance ID from your provider here at El Camino. So the first step is you'll go to Lewermark.com, which is the website of the insurance provider. Second step, once you're here, you'll click and understand. Right here in this main login page, you also have a live chat if you have any questions. And then to get your ID card, you'll click right here. And then your login will be your El Camino ID number, and your password will be your date of birth in this format, which is month, date, and year. So I'm gonna use a demonstration of an ID. And then you type your password. And then once you go for login, this will send you to your main page. And then right here, you have some useful phone numbers and places to contact people from Lewermark. Right here, you'll see your online ID card, and that's what you click. And after it loads, it should pop up with your current insurance card. So this is what an insurance card looks like. You should print this page and then keep it in your wallet, or if you need a place to print, you can always come to our office and it will make sure to print that for you. You can also have this on your phone. It's very important, and anytime you need any kind of medical assistance outside of campus, you can contact Lewermark. Thank you for watching.